You're watching Foxtecc, and in this video, I'll show you how to find out what version of Safari is on your iPad. Let's get right into it. First, open the Settings app on your iPad. Scroll down a bit and tap General, then go to About. Right near the top, you'll see something called Software Version. That's the key, because the version of Safari on your iPad is tied directly to your iPad OS version. So if your iPad is running iPad OS 17, that means you also have Safari 17. Apple doesn't list Safari as a separate app with its own version number like you might see with other apps. It's built into the system, and every time you update iPad OS, Safari gets updated too. That's why you won't find a separate version number for Safari anywhere in the settings or on the home screen. If you want to make sure you're using the latest version of Safari, just make sure your iPad is fully updated. You can do that by going to Settings, then General, and tapping Software Update. If an update is available, install it, and Safari will update along with the system. Thanks for watching Foxtecc. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Apple tips. See you later.